In this video, we will show you how to add admin to Facebook Business Manager. First, make sure you are an admin because to add admin, you must have administrator to your Facebook business. After that, you can open this URL business.facebook.com/ads/manager/accounts_settings. You can get this link into video description, so you can just click that link. You can paste and you can see in the ads manager you can click add people to add admin. Enter your friend that you want to make them as an admin, for example. Email like this, and then you can select add account admin and you can click confirm. Because we don't have this email list, we can add yet. Next tutorial, how to add admin to Facebook Business Manager. Hope this video helpful for you.